What the? Oh, that's better. Hi. Welcome to Edible Canvas, where today we're going to be making a 7-layer bean dip, but with a spooky twist for a Halloween party today. Starting out, we're gonna make our homemade guacamole. We're gonna slice open some avocados. Gonna try to see if I could just squish them out, and it sort of worked. So let's just scoop out the rest. It's much cleaner that way. And then taking a masher, we're gonna mash up our avocado. And then I always like to add a little bit of sour cream. Sorry, the recipe isn't really exact on my guacamole. It's just kind of whatever tastes good. I'm adding some garlic powder, some salt and pepper, and some onion powder to taste. Mix it all together. And most importantly, give it a taste. Make sure that it tastes good and change your spices accordingly. If it needs more salt, add more salt, etc. I love guacamole. Starting out, we're gonna take our dish of choice and we're gonna add a 16-ounce can of refried beans. Next, we're gonna take a cup of sour cream. Once you have that smoothed out to your liking, we're gonna take our homemade guacamole and use about a cup of it and add that on next. Our bean dip is getting pretty tall, so let's add a layer of cheese and do the final touches. We're gonna take 1 tomato and chop it up into pieces. Since I'm doing more of like a Halloween theme, I'm actually just gonna be doing it around the edges. Now that our tomato layer is finished, we're gonna add a spider web into the center. So starting with a piping bag, I'm just gonna fill that with a little bit of sour cream. Some people recommend adding a little bit of milk, but mine is thin enough I didn't think it was necessary. And then I'm just gonna cut off the tip of it so you get a really fine point, and we're gonna make kind of like an X shape and draw a spider web out of it. So you do an X, fill in the middle, and then do little loopies to connect them all so it looks like a spider web. Now for the spider in the center, you could use one of those stupid little plastic ring spiders and have it look a little bit more, like high-end or whatever, but I'm just taking like a full-sized olive and taking another olive and making some legs. Then just chop up some more olives just roughly to go around that tomato edge as well. And that's it. Then you have a very fun, spooky 7-layer bean dip. I normally would taste it at this point, but honestly, it's a 7-layer bean dip. These are literally like my favorite foods ever. I eat this for dinner way too often. But I'm not gonna taste it today because I actually have a party to attend to, and I can come back in and let you know how it all goes and everything. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Subscribe to get more treats in your pocket and make the world a spookier place. See you later, guys. Okay, the party was a huge success. Oh my goodness, these spider webs are driving me crazy. I don't even know what to do. You know what? That's it. I'm just gonna move. That's it. I'm moving.
Happy Halloween.